Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of two related concepts, family of orientation and family of procreation. Sociologists define family as a socially recognized group that serves functions and is related by blood, adoption, and other types, marriage, and kinship. These terms help us understand the different roles that family plays in our lives and how they shape our identities, relationships, and responsibilities. Our family of orientation is the family we are born into or raised in. It includes our parents, siblings, or any caregivers who raised us. Our family of orientation is important because it shapes our early beliefs. It influences how we see the world and interact with others. And it provides support, socialization, and sometimes financial stability. For example, if you were raised in a household that valued education, you might be more likely to pursue college or a career that requires higher education. If your family taught you to celebrate certain cultural traditions, you may carry those traditions into adulthood. Our family of procreation is the family we create as adults, whether through marriage, partnership, having, or adopting children. Our family of procreation is important because it represents a shift in responsibility. Instead of being cared for, we become the caregivers. It allows us to pass down values, traditions, and support systems for the next generation. The couple who decides to have children becomes a family of procreation because they are now raising the next generation. The person who chooses to adopt a child is also creating a family of procreation. Sociologist Talcott Parsons and anthropologist George Murdoch studied family structures and how they contribute to society. They argued that families serve important functions such as raising children, providing emotional support, and maintaining social stability. Parsons, a functionalist sociologist, believed that families help individuals learn social norms and they contribute to the stability of society. Family of orientation is the family into which we are born or adopted into. Family of procreation is the family we form in adulthood through marriage and partnering. Family of orientation shapes who you are, but the family of procreation allows you to create your own path. Some people repeat family traditions, while others choose to parent or live differently than how they were raised. Not everyone follows the traditional pattern. Some people may not create a family of procreation, and that's okay. These concepts of the family of orientation and procreation help us to understand how our upbringing is influenced by values and beliefs, and they impact our perspective on life. We can recognize patterns in family relationships and decide what traditions we want to continue or change. And we can study how cultures define the family, including diverse family structures. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.